Like this. At mag-aminan tayo. Alam ko marami sa inyo naglalagay ng condom sa loob ng wallet nyo. What's up mga momster, mga chong at mga chang? Welcome to another episode of Titotips. This is Albert, the tactical Sintito, and today I'm gonna be reviewing this wallet that I've been carrying every day for the past 4 years. And we will be looking why this is the most ideal wallet that I could recommend to everyone, whether you are a minimalist or not. So fasten your seatbelts at tara, balatan na natin to. Hey guys, hey mga chong, thank you once again for tuning in, and if you're new here, just letting you know that this channel is all about you. And by the way, I'm also reviewing fragrances, and I'm tackling anything that goes inside your head and essentially what goes inside your pocket or anything that will make you look devastatingly attractive. Wow! Whatever that means. Bahala na kayo mag-interpret. It would be super awesome if you could smash that subscribe button right now, and also be sure to finish this video, watch it from beginning to end, and look for that code and get a chance to win a mystery EDC item. Okay? So, kwentuhan muna tayo. Mabilis lang. Okay, pag sinabi nating EDC, ito yung mga bagay na not necessarily ginagamit mo araw-araw, but you carry it every day. Okay? Not once or twice a week, not every other day, but every day. Maliwanag pa sa tanghaling tapat. And why am I saying this? Kasi may mga nakikita ko nagpo-post sa FB groups na may everyday carry. Tapos bukas magpo-post naman sila ng ibang items. Tapos sa isang araw magpo-post naman sila ng ibang items na wala dun sa mga previous pictures nila. Although you have all the freedom to do so, mga chong, huwag ganun. Kasi it doesn't match the description. Pwede naman nilang sabihin na may today's carry, or if they have all black items, just say, may all black carry. Ganun, di ba? But anyway, I don't have any issue kung hindi nila ginagamit yung mga yun, di ba? Kasi hindi mo naman talaga sila magagamit araw-araw. Kahit ako eh. But, don't call it EDC or everyday carry kapag hindi mo naman talaga sila dinadala araw-araw. And of all the items that you carry everyday in your pocket, a wallet is essentially the first thing that you grab when you go outside your house. Maiwan mo na lahat. Maiwan mo na ang phone mo. Wag lang ang wallet mo. Kasi malaki ang magiging problema mo kapag nalimutan mo yung wallet mo. Well, probably in the near future, pwede nang mapalitan ng phone ang wallet. Para isa na lang yung dinadala natin. Well, actually, that's already been happening in many first world countries. Pero sa Pilipinas, I think, medyo matagal pa bago totally mangyari yan. Especially nagkakaroon ng innovations pagdating sa mga designs ng wallet. And as you can tell, they now come in different designs, materials, iba-iba na yung mangyayari at sobrang andami na ng mapagpipilian. And over the years, gaya ng marami sa inyo, marami na din akong nasubukang wallet. Okay? Yung iba na arbor, yung iba na wala nang hindi sinasadya. Diba? Kahit sabihin pa nating maswerte yung wallet na yun. Kaya mga chong, huwag kayong maniniwala sa swerte kasi malas yan. Siyempre, ang masakit lang doon, matagal na kasi sa yung wallet eh. Parang nagkaroon na kayo ng, ano ba yun, bond, diba? Kasi ikaw ba naman, araw-araw mong nilalagay katabi ng puwet mo. Diba? But kidding aside, nandun kasi yung mga importanteng mga bagay-bagay na gaya ng driver's license mo, ng PRC license mo, ng SSS ID mo, or kung nasa Middle East ka, nandun yung EKAMA mo, nandun yung Suki card mo, nandun yung SM Advantage card mo, at kung ano-ano pa. At sobrang hassle magpa-renew ng mga to Not to mention yung mga credit cards at yung mga pera na nasa loob ng wallet mo. Luluha ka talaga ng 20-25 kapag nangyari sa'yo yan. Because it not only carries tangible stuff, it also holds memories, di ba? Nandun yung mga picture ng mahal natin sa buhay. Nandun yung picture ng crush mo. Nandun yung picture ng asawa mo, or kung hindi ka ba nakamove on, nandun yung picture ng ex mo, di ba? At mag-aminan tayo. Alam ko marami sa inyo naglalagay ng condom sa loob ng wallet nyo.
Paano masabi?
Although I don't see anything wrong about a condom being a part of a men's EDC, at i-discuss ko yan sa future episodes natin. But I don't think that putting condom inside your wallet is a good idea. Okay, moving on. So I learned about this thing called minimalism. Okay? And I was kinda intrigued kung ano yun. Because many people try to embrace it. And by the way, I'm propagating this tactical prepper mindset. I like the idea of being a minimalist. But if you are a prepper, you cannot be a full-blown minimalist. Maliban na lang kung si MacGyver ka. And because it became so popular, the minimalism system was utilized by capitalists and entrepreneurs in many possible ways, even incorporating the idea into their product designs, and that became a massive success. Sakto, I've been thinking about getting a minimalist wallet kasi kung nakita nyo, ang lalaki ng wallet ko, di ba? Yan, gaya ng isang to. At kahit wala siya masyadong laman, bulky pa rin siya sa bulsa. So I did my research on different types of wallet and I found this. I bought this because I like the practicality and the aesthetics. It looks simple, diba? It looks clean, and although it has a brand name in front of it, hindi niya binabandera yung pangalan niya all over it. At higit sa lahat, hindi siya nagsusumigaw na tactical ako. Sa totoo lang mga chong, yung ibang tactical wallet, threat pa siya actually sa safety mo Kasi aside from hindi siya comfy, matigas, mabigat, at ang daming redundant na features. Diba? Astig lang silang tingnan. But to use such thing every day can be a bit cumbersome. So, bakit pa ako bibili nun? Dito na ako, di ba? By the way, this video is not sponsored by them, but hey, Secrid, if you're watching this, if you come across this video, I'm open to it. I'm happy and willing to review your other products. Right? Secrid is a Dutch company that started in 1995, so this is made in Holland. And what I have right here is their original slim style design in black with RFID and NFC blocking capability. This wallet's basic features can be found as well in most of their designs. And their products are covered by a 2-year warranty and a 60 days return policy. So meron siyang tatlong parts. This outer cover, which is either made of carbon fiber or genuine leather, which I prefer over the carbon fiber, and I will tell you why in a bit later. Okay, the next thing is it has this plastic tab that is glued on this aluminum case. Overall, it measures 102 by 68 by 16 millimeters and weighs only 72 grams. Mine has an outer cover that is made of European cowhide full grain leather, which does not require regular maintenance because of its smooth aniline finish. And when I first got this, it had this soft rubbery-like texture na smooth but not shiny. And after everyday use, nag-develop na siya ng patina. Hindi lang siya masyadong obvious pag black at lalong hindi mo makikita yung patina kapag nakakuha ka ng leather imitation. By the way, I don't think they have a leather imitation. And speaking of imitation, guys, don't settle for knockoffs. Kahit sabihin pa natin mabibili mo sila sa mga malalaking mall. Kasi may isa sa mga subscribers natin bumili neto. Bumili ng knockoff sa mall. Knockoff version sa mall. Well-known naman yung brand nila. Pero wag na lang natin sabihin yung pangalan. Well, I actually have a belt and a bifold wallet from them. And they have been in this industry for many years. Ang problema, yung nabili niyang wallet, nagbakbak after several months of use. And even though the difference of the price is like a quarter of Secrid's, I would still go with this. Kasi para sa akin, it's always better to buy something nice, kahit medyo pricey pa siya, instead of buying twice. Kasi tingnan mo naman, it ages like fine wine. Diba? Lalo na siguro kung naturally tanned yung leather nito. Kitang-kita mo talaga yung patina na parang nagde-develop siya ng sarili niyang personality to chemical reaction due to contact with air and your sweat. Kumbaga, parang nagkakaroon kayo ng bond ng wallet mo. Alam mo yun? At kahit hindi mo siya lagyan ng pangalan tapos ihalo mo siya sa ibang wallet na may pare-parehas na design, marirecognize mo pa rin kung alin doon yung wallet mo. It has 2 non-RFID compartments that can hold up to 2 to 3 cards depende kung naka-emboss yung letter sa cards. So perfect siya for cards na hindi mo masyadong kailangang ilabas like your PRC license or driver's license. And the next thing that I like about this wallet is this plastic tab that can hold any denominations. At kung masyadong malaki yung bill, you can just fold it in half. With our Philippine banknotes, pwedeng ganito na lang. Just insert your bill like so, or fold your bills, and that would create more space to accommodate more bills. However, you should be very careful when putting polymer plastic bills in here kasi yung mga plastic na pera, kapag tinupi mo, hindi na siya minsan tinatanggap sa ibang tindahan. Ewan ko ba kung bakit naging issue yun dyan sa Pilipinas. Dito naman, or sa kahit ibang bansa, tinatanggap pa rin nila kahit may lukot. Gaya nito. Nakita nyo. Yan. To be honest, I don't see the point of owning a plastic bill kung di mo rin naman magagamit. It's supposed to be an upgrade. Hindi dapat siya nagpapahirap sa mga consumers. Well, it's either taasan nila yung sensitivity ng machine sila para mabasa nila yung pera kahit may konting lukot pa. Better yet, itapon na lang nila yung mga machines nila. And because it's glued, it attracts lint and some particles from my pocket. Now, let's go to my favorite part, which is this patented design aluminum case. At kung makikita mo, meron siyang unique code just right at the opening that will certify its authenticity. It has a QR code na i-enter mo sa website nila to avail that 3-year warranty. Ang astig dito, it blocks radio frequency and also has NFC blocking capability. So all your informations and your wallet are protected against electronic theft. Sa panahon ngayon, high-tech na din ang mga kawatan. Siguro si Batang Quiapo, high-tech na din. So kailangan protected talaga lahat ng personal data mo. And with this, you have peace of mind. And we all know that peace of mind is paramount. It can hold 4 embossed cards or 6 plain cards, or you can mix them both depende sa kung anong meron ka. At kung inaalala mong malalaglag yung mga cards pag nilagay mo siya dito, chill ka lang kasi meron tong stopper dito sa gilid. So, try natin maglagay ng cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are 6 plain cards na ilalagay natin dito. Taktak natin. Siyempre malalaglag pa din siya kung para ka nagtataktak ng bulalo. Okay, I suggest you put either 2 cards or fill it up. Kasi sa experience ko, there's a high risk for cards to fall out kapag 4 cards lang yung nilagay mo. So, test mo muna kung ano yung mga mag-work sa'yo. To take out the cards, you have to pull this trigger right here at the bottom. And doon. Like this. And by the way, this might loosen in time, but it is made to withstand 100,000 clicks or use. Mula siya ng ganyan. Lalabas na siya. And you can pick whatever card you like. What I like about this is it draws compliments from people because of this action. Kapag nagpa-pop out yung cards. Lagi ako nasasabihan ng mga cashiers na or kung sino man nakakita nito na, "Oh, your wallet is so cool. Where did you get that?" And then, you can start a conversation with them tapos pwede kayong humirit ng discount. O, di ba? But just be reminded to be very careful kapag nakita niyo lumuluwag yung metal dito, may thin metal sheet dito. And pag nakita niyo yun, just glue it kasi medyo matalas siya. It can cut your finger. Okay? Hey, if you made it this far, let us show that the Filipino EDC community is alive and active. Please click the like button and share this video to all EDC groups in different platforms. There you go mga chong, this is my everyday carry Secrid wallet, a very practical wallet na swak sa kahit anong attire mo, mapa-casual man or formal wear. It is unbeatable when it comes to practicality and functionality. Very beautiful and very elegant even after 4 years of everyday heavy use. Pero bala ko na rin siyang pagpahingayin muna to try out something new na i-unbox natin next episode. So, guys, kita-kita tayo doon. And before we finally end, I would like to give a big shout out to Mr. Mindy Alberto of Bolo Leathercraft for sending me this package right here na i-unbox natin at re-review natin for our next episode. So, sir, maraming salamat po for this item. Yeah, excited na ako. So, guys, kita-kita tayo doon. Right? Once again, this is Albert reminding you to always be thankful and thankful because whatever you're going through, carry mo yan. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next video. Cheers!